Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and guess what? Wait, I have been waiting for this for so long. My mom hid the package and she finally found it. We got cookie! I mean cake, Katie, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the only Beanie Boo that has tag protector, has the tag evens, yeah. And I've been waiting for like months for this package. She's out of the package, brand new, out of the package, straight from Thai, and not straight from Thai, from Amazon, but whatever. And she's so cute. Look at this. Blue eyes, tag protector, alright. I'm sorry, I just can't get over this. She's so cute. And, okay, the tag protector is pretty poor. But here we have Katy. I'll read it for you guys. KATY Koala. I'm a little koala that's trying to be brave, but I need everyone's help so I can be safe. I'm so... She doesn't have a birthday. Or does she? I don't think she does. I watched her birthday. Okay. Yeah, she doesn't have a birthday. Alright guys, I'm just so excited. We have KATY the Koala. I'm so excited. We have KATY the Koala right here. I can't stop saying it. I'm so happy. You see as well, we have the two koala sisters. We have Kitty the Koala, and we have Missy right here. Just look how cute. I'm so excited. This is my only Beanie Boo that has the tag, let alone the protector. I'm just so excited. This is very recent. I did not open this. I opened this today. My mom just brought it to me, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I already opened it because I'm that excited for it. Yeah, I was just so excited. I couldn't wait to film a video on this. I thought she would be in the package, but she was just in a plastic bag. That's fine. I don't care. This is the best. Okay, this is the best day ever. I have gotten 2 more subscribers. Yay!
Check out
A shout out to Beanie Boo Tunes, and another shout out to Hashtag Pop Foxes. Just wait.
Academic South. Discover over 30,000 tracks and 6.
Sorry about that. Music interruption. And look at her. She's so cute. It's Buffy. Look at her. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to show you which dorm she's going to be in on Beanie Boo School. And I'm also going to be starting a series on that, so stay tuned for the first episode. Alright. Okay, so she is going to be at the top shelf with our mascot, Tracy, Potion. We also have Izzy right back here. Sorry, this is probably real quality filming. Yeah. She's gonna be great. See that? Yes, and the first episode of sorry, okay. The first episode of Beanie Boo School is going to be coming out. Gonna be coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I'm just so excited. Finally. Oh my gosh. So I have an updated collection. We're going to be getting more Beanie Boos in a few days because it's going to be Easter and my mom is going to get me a basket of Beanie Boos for Easter and I just can't wait for that unboxing video. This wasn't really an unboxing video, but still. Kitty! Oh my gosh, this whole video is just me freaking out! We have the amazing. Okay. I can't believe myself. This is the best day. I was afraid we were never going to find her. But here we go. We have her. Alright, so I'm just going to contain my excitement. So yeah, that was this unboxing video. It was the best experience of my life. I'm sorry. Are you serious? Okay, hold back. Let's Okay, we're back. If we're not gonna stop this time, everybody wants to my computer and it's a video without the extra. So, would you like to put in the comments if you can and recommend some great videos that I don't have that would be perfect for unboxing? I'm just ending the